if I told you that the entire success of your summer garden depends on what you plant this month right now in June? You could either harvest basket after basket of fresh veggies or end up with wilted leaves and empty beds. In Zone 9, June is not just another month. It is a race against time, heat, and mistakes most gardeners do not even know they are making. But here's the twist. A few simple planting choices this month could make your entire summer garden thrive. Ready to find out what they are before it is too late? In this video, we are breaking down exactly what to plant in June if you live in Zone 9. You will discover the best vegetables, herbs, and flowers that can handle the summer heat and still give you a strong harvest. We will also share a few surprising tips, common mistakes to avoid, and one secret trick that can supercharge your garden fast. If you want a thriving summer garden without the guesswork, you are in the right place. June is not a month you can afford to guess in if you are gardening in Zone 9. By now, spring crops are either finished or fading fast, and the summer sun is only getting stronger. Temperatures are climbing, daylight hours are long, and the soil warms up quickly, creating the perfect window for heat-loving plants to take off. But here's the catch. Wait too long, and even the hardiest plants can burn out before they begin.
June is a turning point. It is your last real chance to plant crops that need time to grow before the intense July and August heat peaks.
The right choices now will mean healthy roots, steady growth, and harvests that keep coming all summer long. Miss this window and your garden could stall before the season even gets going. Before we dive into what to plant, here's something most gardeners miss. There are 3 specific vegetables that not only survive Zone 9 heat, but actually thrive in it. One of them is almost never mentioned in beginner guides, but it could become your biggest producer this summer. Can you guess what it is? Let us find out. Top vegetables to plant in June Zone 9. 1. Okra. If there is one vegetable built for the Zone 9 summer, it is okra. This heat-loving crop thrives when temperatures rise and the sun beats down. Plant okra seeds directly into warm soil, spacing them about 12 inches apart. Make sure the spot gets full sun. Okra needs at least 6 to 8 hours a day to grow tall and productive. Water deeply once or twice a week and do not over-fertilize. With the right care, you can start harvesting pods in just 50 to 60 days. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes love hot soil and long days. June is a perfect time to plant slips in Zone 9. Choose a loose, well-drained area with plenty of space. Each slip should be planted about 12 to 18 inches apart, with rows at least 3 feet wide. Keep the soil moist during the first few weeks to help roots take hold. Once established, sweet potatoes are low maintenance and drought tolerant. Plus, they grow underground, making them great for gardens with limited space. 3. Southern peas, black-eyed peas. Southern peas are a powerhouse summer crop that actually improves your soil by adding nitrogen. Sow seeds directly into the ground about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. They do best in full sun and do not mind the heat or dry spells. Once they start growing, mulch around the base to keep weeds down and soil moist. In about 60 to 90 days, you will have fresh peas for salads, stews, or freezing. Best herbs to start in June Zone 9. June may be hot, but some herbs actually love the heat, making it a great month to get them growing. Basil is at the top of the list. It thrives in full sun, grows quickly, and adds instant flavor to summer dishes.
Sow seeds or plant starts in well-drained soil and keep it watered consistently to prevent wilting.
Oregano is another winner for June. It is drought-tolerant, heat-resistant, and grows like a low bush, perfect for garden beds or containers. Thyme also handles the heat well and does not need much water once it is established. Plant it in sandy or rocky soil and let it soak up the sun. These herbs are not only delicious, they also attract pollinators and help your other plants thrive. Grow a few of each, and your garden will smell amazing all summer long. Flowers to plant in June that love the heat. If you want bold color in your garden all summer long, June is the perfect time to plant heat-loving flowers in Zone 9. Zinnias are a top choice. They bloom fast, come in bright colors, and thrive in full sun. Just scatter seeds in well-drained soil and keep them lightly watered. Marigolds are another must-have. They can handle dry conditions, bloom non-stop, and even help repel pests. Vinca is a beautiful, low-maintenance flower that loves the heat and keeps blooming through the hottest months. Plant these directly in garden beds or containers where they will get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. With just a little care, these flowers will keep your garden bursting with color even when temperatures soar. Crushed eggshells sprinkled around your plants can keep pests away and boost calcium in the soil. It is free, natural, and works especially well for tomatoes and peppers. Ever tried it?
Drop a comment and let us know your favorite weird but effective garden trick.
You might inspire someone else's best harvest yet. What not to plant in June? Avoid these mistakes. Not every plant can handle the Zone 9 summer heat. Some will struggle or fail completely if planted in June. Lettuce is a perfect example. It bolts fast in hot weather, turning bitter and useless before you get a single harvest. Spinach also hates the heat. It tends to wilt, bolt, and stop producing almost as soon as temperatures climb. Broccoli is another cool weather crop that just cannot take the summer sun. It needs a head start in late winter or early spring. Trying to plant these now will waste time, seeds, and effort.
Stick to heat-loving crops this month and save these cool season veggies for fall.
Smart timing is the secret to a productive garden, and knowing what not to plant is just as important as knowing what to grow. In hot Zone 9 summers, watering smart is more important than watering often. Water deeply, not lightly. This trains roots to grow downward where it is cooler and helps plants survive heat waves. The best time to water is early morning, before the sun gets strong. This reduces evaporation and gives roots time to soak it all in. Avoid watering in the heat of the day or late at night, which can cause stress or invite disease.
Use mulch around plants to lock in moisture and keep soil temperatures steady.
And do not forget, containers dry out faster than garden beds, so check them daily. Simple habits like these can make the difference between a garden that just survives and one that thrives. Want faster, healthier growth without spending much? Try this used coffee grounds. They are rich in nitrogen, improve soil texture, and help retain moisture, perfect for summer veggies like peppers, tomatoes, and okra. Just sprinkle a thin layer around your plants or mix it into compost. You can also soak used grounds in water overnight to make a mild, natural liquid fertilizer. It is completely free, eco-friendly, and plants love it. Do not overdo it. Just once every week or two is enough. This small habit can lead to stronger plants and bigger harvests without any chemical fertilizers. Grow okra, sweet potatoes, and black-eyed peas for reliable summer veggies. Add basil, oregano, and thyme to keep the flavor and pollinators coming. And do not forget zinnias, marigolds, and vinca to light up your garden with color. Stick with heat lovers, water smart, and boost naturally, and you will grow more than you ever expected this summer. Drop your favorite crops or garden hacks in the comments. I read everyone. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with a fellow gardener. And do not forget to subscribe for more zone-specific tips, planting guides, and simple tricks that make gardening easier. Your summer garden starts here, and we have got a lot more to grow together.